While creating a rattan pattern, always pay attention to the thread on your finger. It should lay face down. Insert the hook in between two stitches. Draw the thread up to the level of a short loop. Take the hook away. Then insert the hook from left to right into the long loop and right to left into the short loop. Pull short through long and make a chain stitch. Spread the stitch with your hand and arrange it nicely on the work. The thread is face down. Insert the hook. Draw the thread up to the level of a short loop. Take the hook away. Insert it into the long loop from left to right and then into the short one from right to left. Pull the long through the short one and make a chain stitch. Spread the stitch on the work. Creating rattan pattern is really exciting, it's diligent. It's certainly not for beginners, but it looks very catchy.